here we go again. I swore that my last take of this video was the last take, but that's not where we're at. So this is the last take, I think. Anyways, hi, I'm Diane. I'm one of the owners of Elevation Yarn & Co. in Littleton, Colorado. And I am super excited to be sharing this video with you today because we have gotten some new product in that I am very passionate about. This is pre-yarn store ownership days. I use this yarn, I use this company. They're a smaller company. I love them. Not too small. You might have heard of them. You probably have heard of them. But they're not a big box company. And absolutely love their products. I love the way it feels. I love the way it works up. I love how it withstands wear and washing and things like that. So before I had a yarn store, I always asked yarn store owners, how do you pick what yarn to have in your store? Because there's so much great yarn out there. And I got a range of different answers. And one of the things that we've been doing is we really want to carry yarn that's high quality, that's enjoyable to work with, and that we're passionate about. So, yay! We will be introducing Wonderland Yarns into our store. We started off with just a very, just two basic, just a few things going on, and a few colorways. But we are excited. Come in, feel the yarn for yourself. Look at the colors, they're gorgeous. I think I have the camera set up to do a pretty true to color video, but we'll see. Who knows? The lighting is a little weird. But anyways, let's get started. This is Wonderland Yarns, and we are carrying it in the store. We've gotten our first shipment in. So the first thing I'm going to share with you is this base. It is a worsted weight yarn. The base is called March Hare, and we have gotten it in 3 colors. So 3 different colorways. They're so pretty, and it looks like that is picking up the color correctly. So super squishy. You just want to come in and touch these. We might just have to have like a one that's just for touching. So because everyone's going to want to squish these. Our second one is one of my personal favorites. It's called Mad Hatter, and it is a sport weight yarn, which a sport weight has shown up a lot in patterns lately. But it is squishy. It is 100% superwash merino. It's easy to knit with. It's enjoyable to knit with. You're not like fighting with the yarn. It like glides over your needles. So we got that in. 2 of the colorways we got are the same as the March Hare. So that one, and one is a little different. This is gorgeous. Yeah, I think that color looks good. So we've got those 2 bases. We also went ahead and bought an assortment of their Blossoms yarn. And I will take this, but I'll take one out just so we can look at it a little bit. These are one of a kind. So we only have one of each at the moment. So Blossoms, it is in the Mad Hatter base. It's just so pretty. I have made so many really beautiful shawls and scarves out of this, that just the gradient's great, the beautiful, all the colors put together. And they really do follow it, hold up with wash and wear. So that's one of my favorite things about this. We also got the sushi scarf kit, which I love. I've made about 3 of these for friends. And here's the picture, if you guys can see. On this side is how you can wear it, and this is it rolled up, so it looks like sushi when you roll it up. It's really cute. It's a great gift. Again, holds up great when you wash it and wear it. My personal one, I think I've had for 5 or 6 years. It still looks beautiful. And I am making a sample for the store, so there will be something in here for you to see. It is made on, if I'm correct, I think it's the Mad Hatter base. So it's a sushi scarf kit, 100% superwash merino and sport weight, which is what the Mad Hatter base is, but it just doesn't say Mad Hatter base on this. The other thing we got is a worsted weight kit. The other thing we got is a worsted weight kit for the Summit hat. If I can find a picture of it, I will include it in the video. If not, you can see it when you come in. Anyways, we are super excited about this line of yarn and can't wait for you guys to come in and